Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. By learning hacking techniques, you gain the knowledge to protect your own systems and data from real-world threats. This knowledge empowers you to take control of your digital security. Building your own hacking lab is a critical step in this journey. It allows you to practice and refine your skills in a safe and controlled environment. It provides a safe and legal environment to practice your skills without fear of causing real-world damage. This hands-on experience is invaluable for anyone serious about cybersecurity. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. With the right guidance and resources, setting up a hacking lab can be a straightforward and rewarding process. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up your first hacking lab at home, equipping you with the knowledge and tools to embark on your ethical hacking journey. You'll learn the basics of network security, how to use various hacking tools, and best practices for ethical hacking. Before you can start hacking, you need the right tools. Don't worry, this isn't about crowbars and lockpicks. We're talking about computer hardware that forms the foundation of your lab. First, you'll need a dedicated computer to serve as your hacking machine. It doesn't have to be top of the line, but it should have enough RAM and processing power to run virtual machines smoothly. Next, consider investing in a USB Wi-Fi adapter that supports monitor mode. This allows you to capture and analyze wireless network traffic, a crucial aspect of ethical hacking. Finally, an external hard drive is essential for storing your hacking tools, virtual machines, and captured data. This keeps everything organized and separate from your personal files. Now that you have your hardware in place, it's time to equip your lab with the software tools that will empower your hacking endeavors. First and foremost, you'll need a virtualization platform like VirtualBox or VMware Workstation. These tools allow you to create and run virtual machines, which are essentially isolated operating systems within your main computer. Next, you'll want to choose a penetration testing distribution, often called a pen testing distro. Kali Linux and Parrot OS are two popular choices, offering a wide range of pre-installed hacking tools. Finally, no hacking lab is complete without a good text editor for writing scripts and analyzing code. Sublime Text and Atom are excellent choices, known for their user-friendly interfaces and powerful features. With your hardware and software ready, it's time to set up your network. This is where the real fun begins. Setting up a hacking playground is crucial for practicing your skills safely and effectively. The key here is isolation. You need to ensure that your experimental environment is completely separate from your main network. You want to create a controlled environment where you can experiment without fear of impacting your home network or, worse, the wider internet. This means setting up a dedicated space where you can test different scenarios and learn from your mistakes. The simplest approach is to create a completely isolated network. This can be done by disconnecting your hacking machine from the internet entirely. This means your hacking machine won't have access to the internet or your personal devices. It's a straightforward method to ensure that your experiments don't spill over into your everyday life. Another option is to use a network switch to create a separate network segment for your lab. This allows you to have more control over your network settings. This allows for more flexibility, as you can choose when to connect your hacking machine to the internet or your home network. You can easily switch between isolated and connected modes depending on what you need to do. Whichever approach you choose, the goal is to create a safe space where you can experiment freely without putting your personal data at risk. Remember, the more secure your setup, the more confidently you can explore and learn. Section 5. Security first. Protecting your lab from the outside world. Setting up a hacking lab means attracting attention, and not always the good kind. It's crucial to implement robust security measures to protect your lab from outside threats. Start by choosing strong, unique passwords for all your accounts, especially your hacking machine and router. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible for an extra layer of security. Keep your operating system and software up to date. Security patches often address known vulnerabilities, making it harder for attackers to exploit your system. Finally, consider using a firewall to control incoming and outgoing network traffic. A firewall acts as a barrier between your lab and the outside world, blocking unauthorized access attempts. Section 6. Virtualization, creating a safe and isolated environment. Virtualization is a cornerstone of ethical hacking. It allows you to create and run multiple operating systems, known as virtual machines, on a single physical machine. Each virtual machine operates independently, isolated from your main system and other virtual machines. Why is this important? Virtualization provides a safe and isolated environment for your hacking experiments. If a virtual machine becomes compromised, you can easily revert it to a previous snapshot without affecting your host operating system or other virtual machines. Think of virtual machines as disposable sandboxes where you can detonate digital explosives without worrying about the cleanup. This freedom to experiment is essential for learning and mastering ethical hacking techniques. Section 7. Starting safely. Tips for beginner ethical hackers. Embarking on your ethical hacking journey is exciting, but it's crucial to start safely and responsibly. Ethical hacking is not just about breaking into systems. It's about understanding them deeply and using that knowledge to protect and improve security. Here are some tips for beginners. Start with the basics. Before you can run, you need to learn to walk. This means getting a solid grasp of computer fundamentals. Familiarize yourself with networking fundamentals, operating systems, and basic scripting before diving into advanced hacking techniques. Understanding how data flows through networks and how different systems interact is crucial. Never hack a system without permission. This is a fundamental rule in ethical hacking. Always ensure you have explicit consent before attempting to test any system. Unauthorized access is illegal and unethical. Respecting the boundaries of legality and ethics is what separates ethical hackers from malicious ones. Stick to your own devices or systems where you have explicit consent. Document everything. Keeping a detailed log of your activities is not just good practice. It's essential for learning and accountability. Keep detailed records of your activities, including commands used, vulnerabilities discovered, and steps taken to exploit them. This will help you track your progress and understand what works and what doesn't. Join the community. Connect with other ethical hackers online and at local meetups. The community is a valuable resource for learning and support. Sharing knowledge and experiences is invaluable for growth. Engaging with others can provide new insights and help you stay updated with the latest trends and techniques. Practice, practice, practice. The more you experiment in your lab, the more confident and proficient you'll become. Consistent practice is key to mastering the skills needed to be an effective ethical hacker. Section 8. Legality and ethics. The importance of responsible hacking. Before you fire up your hacking tools, it's crucial to understand the legal and ethical boundaries of ethical hacking. The line between ethical hacking and illegal activity is clear: permission. Always obtain explicit written permission from the owner of a system before attempting any form of penetration testing. Unauthorized access, regardless of intent, is a crime with serious consequences. Moreover, ethical hackers adhere to a strict code of ethics. They use their knowledge for good, helping organizations improve their security posture and protect sensitive data. Remember, the goal is to make the internet a safer place for everyone. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the journey of ethical hacking. Congratulations on taking the first step towards mastering ethical hacking by building your own lab. Remember, this is a journey of continuous learning and exploration. The cybersecurity landscape is constantly evolving, with new threats emerging all the time. Embrace the challenge, never stop learning, and use your skills responsibly to make the digital world a safer place. As you delve deeper into the world of ethical hacking, you'll discover a vibrant community of like-minded individuals passionate about cybersecurity. So, fire up your virtual machines, sharpen your hacking tools, and embark on your ethical hacking adventure with confidence.